Stay home all night, stare at my phone.
Welcome back to Healthy Homes Australia. If you've missed anything from today's show, go check out our website. It's healthyhomesaustralia.com.au. Today we're at home with our homeowners Luke and Jen, and we're having very fancy new carpets put all through the house. And just as a little finishing touch, well, I'm adding a couple of extras for the kids.
Just give me love, 'cause you love me like no other.
We've noticed that they've just got standard light switches, everyday, run-of-the-mill cover. So we thought we'd dress them up a little with these awesome switch covers from Gooden Industries. So it's as simple as popping off the cap and replacing it with a much more stylish one. Now, if you've got standard switches like this and want to dress them up, you can head to goodenindustries.com.au and buy them online.
Just give me love.
So, well, I thought while we had all the different tradies in today, we'd get this rug rolled up and stored away using some of your special little VELCRO straps.
Yeah, I know. These are pretty good.
So Jen and Luke have some very special artwork that they'd like to hang in the hallway. So they have been displaying the artwork just pegged around the house, but we thought we'd put this canvas up.
Good idea.
Yeah,
It's
so
cute,
we'll use
isn't it?
these heavy duty strips.
Yeah, these are pretty easy. So we'll stick this just two, you reckon? Because they're pretty
Yeah,
strong.
I reckon probably on the top.
Chuck a level on it, shall we?
Chuck a level on it. I'll kind of eye it and then...
Yep. Just hold that for a couple